us what we're looking at.
So here, this is an arthroscopic image, and what we're looking at is the ACL. So we're in the middle of the knee. It's in between what's called the two condyles, or otherwise known as the intercondylar notch. And that's where both the ACL and the PCL live. So what you're looking at, staring you in the face, is the ACL, and it's going back towards the posterior aspect of the knee. To the right of that, you're seeing the PCL kind of coming around the back of the knee and inserting in the front. So that is a normal ACL ligament. This view, you're seeing a torn ACL with a portion of it basically flipped anteriorly. So that bulbous kind of tissue you're seeing in front of you is the torn ACL ligament.
Okay, and this?
So now what we've done at this point in the case, we've already debrided out the torn ACL, and now we have made our tunnels. So this is called the tibial tunnel. This is the tunnel that is going in through the tibia, or the bone that's on the shin bone.
Next up.
Now this is your femoral tunnel. So we basically prepared the knee to receive the graft, or the tissue that we're going to be replacing the ACL with.
And next.
So now at this point we've now inserted, so this is kind of a before and after shot from the previous one. We've inserted the graft, and kind of where that bubble is, kind of, wanted to pose for the camera, is right where we have a bioabsorbable screw that's holding the ligament in place.
So that bubble we see up in there, that's a screw?
No, behind the bubble is the screw. Yep. That
Okay.
that white aspect is the screw that is. We use a bioabsorbable screw. There are a variety of different fixation devices. Some people have metal. Some people have something called PEEK. And then this is a bioabsorbable material.
And last picture.
This is now the reconstructed ACL. So now they have a complete ligament that goes from insertion to insertion, and we do a couple of tests after we've inserted the ACL to check to make sure we have stability in the knee. But that's your finished product.